All students be ready to start.
Welcome again, middle 2. Let's start to answer our exercise of lesson 1. We have square root and the cubic root. What if I have here the cubic root of 64? I have here cubic root of 64. We can factorize 64. 64 is an even number, so it factorizes by 2. 64 divided 2 gives me 32. Divided again by 2 gives me 16. Divided again by 2 gives me 8. Divided again by 2, 4, by 2, 2, and by 2, and here 1. We have a square root or cubic root or second root or third root. Excellent, we have third root. So every 3 factors, we take 1 from it. Here I have 2, and here we have 2. So 2 multiplied by 2, very good, equal 4. And if we make 4 power 3 gives me 64. And here 125 after we factorize it. 125 each once is 5. So by 5 equal 25. By 5 equal 5. By 5 equal 1. So we have 3 factors. Take one of them equal 5. So the answer here, 64, it's root 4, and 125, so 4 over 5. This question, the square root of 4 equal the cubic root of what? First, square root of 4 is 2, because 4, 2 times 2. The cubic root of what gives me 2? We can make the factor power the degree of root. 2 power 3. 2 power 3 gives me 8. So the cube root of 8 gives me 2. Negative square root of 25. Negative square root of 25 by using your calculator, it can give you 5. And here 5 power 3 equal 125. So we write inside the cubic root 125. The cubic root of 8 gives me what? Negative 2. But here I can't put any negative number inside the square root. So we can make the negative out of the square root and make here the root of 4. The cubic root of 27. By using your calculator or by factorizing, 27 can't divide it by 2 because it's an odd number. We can take the second prime number, which is 3, and here 3. 3 divided by 27, 9. Here 3 again, 3, and here 3, and here 1. Take only one root by 3. And here 2, and here negative 3. The cubic root of negative 216. We can factorize 216 divided by 2 can be or can't be. Very good, 108. Factorizes again by 2, 54. By 2 again, 27. Here 27, like the last example, divided by 3, 19, and here by 3 equal 3, and here by 3 equal 1. So I have 3 threes and 3 twos. 2 times by 3 gives me 6. Very good. And here I have a negative sign, so write 6. The cube root of negative 4 all power 3. We can cancel the power by the root equals negative 4. And here, find the edge length of the cube, which is volume 64 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. We know that the volume of the cube equal L power 3 or the edge power 3. So the length or the edge length equal the inverse is a cube root of volume. Equal cube root of 64 equals 4. Very good. Find the length of the diameter of a sphere whose volume is 113.04 centimeter cube. Remember that the volume of the sphere equals 4/3 by r cubed. This one is equal to what? 113.04. We can divide both of them by 4/3. So, and also divided by r, which is equals 3.14. Let's see equals what? Here cancel this by this by this. So r cubed equal 27. We can take the cube root. Equal 3. So here r can change the color. See, r equal 3. The radius equal 3. So my diameter 2 or 2 times 3 equals 6. I hope you understand some parts which we explained, and see you again in the other session. Thank you. Goodbye.